Hello everybody, our today's revision topic is indices. Indices is any number when it is written in terms of a power. For example, 2 power 3, a power 4, b power minus 1, 7 over 3 is to the power minus 6. In fact, these are the index and the this is called indices. Indices. There are three basic rules. One is when same numbers are multiplied. So their power is added. That's all. And the number will written as the same one and you have to add the power. For example, 2 power 9 multiply 2 power 1. These are the same numbers, so it will become 2 power 10. Second rule is about, this rule is about multiplication. Second rule is about division. If two numbers are divided, a power 3 divide a power 2, these numbers you have to subtract the powers. And third rule is where there are two double brackets. One is the power is outside the bracket. For example, if it is 2a squared to the power 3. So this 2 will be having power 3 and a will be having this power is supposed to be multiplied. 2 multiply 3. Suppose the number is, let us say, a square b cube c is to the power 5 square. So you have to multiply this number. A power 4, b power 6, c power 10. I'm multiplying all these numbers by 2, whatever is outside the brackets. So these are the three rules you have to follow for anything related with indices. So as per the rule, the first question is the base is same here. This is m and m. So m to the power 3 multiply m is to the power 6. When the numbers are same, we just add these powers. That's all we do. So that is going to be m is to the power 3 plus 6, that is m power 9. Part B, this is a division. So we have p power 8 divide p power 2. Whenever numbers are divided, we subtract it. Don't divide it by 2, subtract it. So p is the power 8 minus 2, that is p power 6. This is a double bracket, so everyone, this will be, actually it is 2 is to the power 1. So this is 1 multiply 4, n is to the power 3, 3 multiply 4. 2 is to the power 4 and n is to the power 12. So that is going to be 16 n power 12. Question number 2 is same. The same numbers are same base is there. So that is going to be m to the power 6 plus 7. So that is going to be m to the power 12 and 130. Now x power 0. Anything power 0 is 1. This is a very famous rule of mathematics. So anything power 0, 3 power 0 is 1, minus 1 power 0 is 1. So anything power 0 is always 1. Now this is the same rule we are going to apply. This is 16 is to the power half. y to the power 6 is to the power half. Now 16 power half, we find a number, when we multiply it, we get 16. So if you know that 4 square is 16, and this is 6 multiply 1 is 6 over 2. This 2 and 2 cancel, this is 2 over 2, so this is 4. Y to the power 6 over 2 is 3. This is question number 3. This is a division, same one. So it will be m is to the power 5 minus 3 because it's a division. So this will m power 2. Now in this, we have to collect all the like terms together. So 5 is there, multiply x to the power 4, then another x is there, multiply x to the power 2, then this is a y cube, multiply y cube, then multiply y. So these numbers having same base, this one is same base. So this is going to be 5. There's no other number which we multiply, 5. When we multiply, we add the powers. So x power 6. Where there's no power, the power is 1. So y power 4. That is the solution. This is the question number 4. This is the same question. So a is to the power 4 plus 5, that is a power 9. Now this one is the last question. We kept all those numbers who are having the same base together. So this we are going to have together. So these are the numerals, 45 over 5. This is e power 6 over e, and this is f power 8 over f square. So 45 divided by 5 is 9. This is power 1. So this will become e to the power 6 minus 1 e to the power 5. And this is f to the power 8 minus 2, 6. That is the solution. Now part C is 9 power half. In such question, we trying to find which number we multiply twice this number, twice to get 9. So we know that if we multiply 3 twice, we get 9. We cancel this. The answer is 3. This is question number 5. Same number is the base and power is 2 and 4. So it will m is to the power 2 plus 4. That is m power 6. This is a division. So this is y to the power 7 minus 5. Y to the power 2. Now there's only one number, m is to the power 3 multiply 5. Whenever that one is outside and one is inside, we just multiply. So m is to the power 15. This is also the same question. So we can write this as p to the power 2 plus 7. That is p power 9. Again, this one you have to keep it all the number. 3 multiply 2. These are the numerals. This is q power 4 over q power 3. Q power 4 over q power 3. Then there's one more q power 5. Multiply q power 5. This one is 6. Now q power 4 over q power 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Q power 1. Multiply q power 5. Now these are the same number. We have to add. This is 6 q power 6. That is the solution. You can write in one line also. Q power 4 plus 5 minus 3. That is q is to the power 9 minus 3. That will be q power 6. Now this question is also same. 2 to the power 1 multiply 5, x to the power 1 multiply 5, and y to the power 3 multiply 5. 2 to the power 5 is 32. X to the power 1 multiply 5 is 5, and y to the power 15. That is the solution. This is number 7, and we are going to use the same method. This is 15 y power 6 divided by 3 y square. So this number we are going to put separate and this separate. So that is 15 over 3 multiply y to the power 6 over y power 2. 15 over 3 is 5. This we are going to subtract y power 4. So that is the solution. Now in the same question, these are the numbers. 7 multiply 3. Then we have w and multiply w, and w is to the power. We have 7 multiply 3. That are the numerals. Then we have w, and w is to the power 3. This is power 1, and w is to the power 3. And then we have x square and x square and x. So this is 21. We have to add w power 4. We have to add x power 3. So that is the solution. Now same rule we are going to apply here. One is inside the bracket, one is outside the bracket. So 2 is to the power 2 multiply 3. That is 2 is to the power 6. 2 is to the power 6 is, I think, 64. Check it yourself. Now this root sign means in indices it is 1 over 2. Root means power 1 over 2. So 3. Root 3 means 1 over 2. And then square. I told you. So this is going to be multiplied. 2 over 2 cancel. That is 3. In fact, if somewhere this is, say, a, this is root and this is power, so answer of this is going to be a only. I hope you remember that root a multiply root a is always a. The same rule is going to be applicable here. Now this one, 2 power 4 multiply 9. This is a root. So for this root you can find a root, but for indices we can write power as half. So 2 is to the power 4 multiply half. This 9 can be written as 3 square power half. This cancel. So this is 2 is to the power 2. 2 times 2 is 4. That's why it's 2 multiply 3. So that is 4 multiply 3 is 12. Another very important formula is anything power negative 1 is reciprocal. If it is x, it will be written 1 over x. If it is 2, this will be 2. So 4 is to the power minus 2 can be written as 1 over 4 square. So 1 square is 1 and 4 square is 16. This is a very important question. I think that's all for today. I hope you have already done all these questions because these are not very difficult. Thank you very much. till we have another assignment.